So, yeah.
Sir, I was proposing suggestions to tackle corruption.
Yes.
Individually, an entrepreneur cannot handle it.
Yes.
But we recently had a prof from Ahmedabad. They're working on a project called e-governance.
Right.
Basically, you take everything over to the net.
Yes.
So you have lot many transparency into the system.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And
Very
again, say if a minister comes and you have to pass his file over all of the files, you cannot do it because it's done by the computer and
Correct.
you have to finish all that inventory first and then go to this.
Correct. No, this is a fantastic. So see, this is a great point. One of the ways, and we are not talking about corruption. I mean, you can have an entire session on corruption, and that's a separate issue. But one of the things to reduce corruption is, of course, to have fewer laws, but also more openness. I'll give a very simple example. Okay, you probably don't know, and most of us wouldn't know how much money was spent on the road leading up to the IIM campus, outside the gate. I don't think you know. Now, why don't you know? Because government doesn't tell you. But really, what's so secret about how much money was spent on the Indore Rao road?
Actually, you can find
There it is. So you said, oh, you can find out. Now, this is where I want you to think like MBA graduates, okay? So the problem is that you want to find information. There are two ways to solve it. One is you say, let's open up the information. The second way is, let's fix the guy if he's not giving the information, force him to give the information. What's better? To have a law to force someone as an RTI to say, just open it up, man, why do you need a law? Why do I need an RTI to know how much money was spent? Seriously, why should it not be known? I'll give you a very simple example of removing corruption at the lowest level. Every Gram Panchayat, Panchayat in a village, their budget is not known to villagers. There's a very obvious reason, because if the villagers know how much money Panchayat has received, they will say, hey, what happened to the money, right? So one simple way of removing corruption is you make it mandatory from Gram Panchayats to reveal their budget in the public, put a notice board outside the Panchayat office saying this is the money received for this year. And it's out in the public. Now that reduces corruption dramatically, because everyone knows 40,000 was received for hand pump. So they will say, where is the hand pump? Or 10 lakhs were spent on this Indore Rao road. It doesn't look like any money was spent. Forget about 10 lakhs. So, but right now you have to file an RTI. The other problem with these kind of pinpoint laws are, you might file an RTI. If she wants to, she has again to file an RTI, which is a bit stupid, right? Or if I want to know, I don't know, by the way, that you already know. So that kind of thing doesn't work. So that's where systemic thinking might come. So yeah, that's a great idea, by the way. Openness helps, absolutely.